Now, in time series, we want to find out various trends of how the things are moving, and we also want to predict the value. So for that, the first method what we did was method of least square. Now we are going to see the second method, and the second method is method of moving averages. Now let's understand what is this method of moving averages. See, normally, let's say कि price of a commodity or say price of a share, okay, it keeps on fluctuating. कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. So this is how it keeps on moving. Now there are lots of short-term fluctuation. If you see the price of the share from morning till 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the evening, you will see there are lots of variation happening, 9:15 to 3:30. It moves up, moves down. It happens daily. Now, if I want to understand the trend of this share, then what I'll do is I'll go for moving averages. Now, what exactly is moving average? Let's say you have days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. And there is a price of the share. Say it is, say, 1300, then say 1350, then 13.5, then 1290, then 1289, then 1315, then 1380. Now you can see there are lots of variations happening over here. Somewhere it is increasing, then decreasing, then decreasing, then decreasing, again increasing. So I want to study the trend over here, how the share price is moving. So for that, I will use this moving average concept where I'll find average of, I'll go for 3 days moving average. Okay, there are different days moving average. I'll go for 3 days moving average. So I'll take total of 1, 2 and 3, say price Y, days is T. So Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 divided by 3, I'll get a number. Then I'll take another 3, I'll get a number. Then I'll take another 3, I'll get some number. Then I'll take another 3 and I'll get some number. And then I will plot them on a graph. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I will plot price Y also, and I will plot these values also, and then I will see the trend, that how the trend is there. Is it upward moving? Is it flat? Is it downward moving? So that is what we are going to see over here in method of moving averages. You don't have to write any formula. It's a very simple average. So we have to do the total, divide it, get the answer. Very scoring. Now, see, in stock market, this is very widely used. I'll just show you one analysis. Now, can all of you see this money control web page? All of you, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, this is price of Infosys Limited. You can see over here, it is given Infosys. Now, this is a daily chart beginning from 9:15 and ending at 3. Right now it's just 3:16. So at 3:30 we will get the ending point over here. You can see the range of this. So day range is what you studied in your measures of dispersion. Okay, this is the range. 52-week range is there. कि last 1 year में highest कितना था, lowest कितना था, volume and all later. Now, you can see your advanced chart is over here. You can see this name advanced chart. So here you have an option that you can go for a 5-year chart. You can go for a 1 month chart. You can go for a 5-day chart. Okay. Then these are candles. Let's see a line. Okay, these are lines. So you can see lots of fluctuation happening in last 5 days, last 1 month. Now I want to find the trend. So for that, I will go down and here you can see over here moving averages. Now where? Wait, I'll just zoom over here. Now you can see over here moving averages, you can see number of days. So here the price of the share for 5 days moving average is this much, 10 days is this much, 20 days is this much, 50, 100 and 200 days. So 200 days का हम total करके divide by 200 करते 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 we get this price. So this is used in stock market. This is very popular. 200 DMA in stock market is very popular. It is known as 200 days moving average. So over here, were you able to see DMA दिखा तुम्हें? Moving average, or you saw how it was mentioned as one of the parameter to decide when to buy, when to sell, should I invest, should I not invest. देखा तुमने DMA? So that is basically what we are going to study over here in the method of moving average. It was just an overview, a shady sort of a thing so that you get a slight idea about what exactly it is. Okay, now as far as sums goes, they are extremely simple. You will need a calculator in front of you. Okay, it's very important. We will start with a typical one, that is illustration number 9. Now over here, illustration 9, find the trend using 5 yearly moving averages. So 5 yearly. So for odd year, odd days, okay. So say 3 days moving average, 5 days moving average. There is a different method. For even time period, there is a different method. So first we will see the odd one, 3 yearly moving average from the following data about yearly production in tons of a factory. Now, year is given to you and production ton is given to you. Now, let's first write the year. So, 2006, 2007 up to 2016. Start writing 2008, 9, 14, 15, 16. Now, time t. Now, in the textbook, first y is given and then t is given. But don't do like that. You first write t and then write y. So this will be helpful and it will avoid calculation errors. So we start with t, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Production y, 112, 106, 93, 90, 114, 159, 170, 130, 108, 113, 115. Let me check the question once again. 112, 106, 93, 90, 114, 159, 170, 130, 108, 113 and 115. Now, don't do the total. Here we don't need sigma t, sigma y. So no need to do the totals. Now, over here, 5-year moving total. So what we have to do? We have to take total of first 5 years. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. तो हम पहले ये 5 साल का टोटल लेंगे. I'll shade it. नाउ ये टोटल लिखेंगे कहाँ पे? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 5 जगह 5 लाइन है, तो सेंटर मोस्ट लाइन में हम लिखेंगे टोटल. नाउ 112 plus 106 plus 93 plus 90 plus 114, which is equal to, कैलसी पे कर लो, 112 plus 106 plus 93 plus 90 plus 114. That comes to 515. बढ़िया. So 515 मिल गया. अब next 5 का total. So you start from 106, go to 159. ध्यान दो, 515 लिख दिया, 515 लिख दिया. ओके, अब ध्यान दो, यहाँ पे 1 मिनट स्क्रीन देखो. अब तुम्हारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है ये सम करने के. एक ऑप्शन ऐसा है कि what you do is, अभी मत लिखना, you just first listen to me. First you did the total of all these. Now you do the total of all these. So I'll just change the color so it becomes easier for you to find out. अब ये 5 का total, तो you can write 106 plus 93 plus 90 plus 114 plus 159, which is equal to. So one method is this, where you keep on writing the total, all the 5 numbers, and do the total. You go as per what you are comfortable. Okay. Now, either you can go for this method, what I have written over here, or another method, which is as per textbook, that you already know कि ये 5 का total was 515. You already know this. This was 515. Now from 515, you want to remove 112 and you want to add 159. So what you will do over here is 515 minus 150 plus minus 112 plus 159, which is equal to. So 515 minus 112 plus 159, which is equal to 562. Let me check manually. Yes, 562. So you can go for either of the method. If you are not comfortable with plus and minus, then you write all the numbers and do the total. If you are comfortable, then you can follow this plus and minus. Now, another 5. So again, I'll change the color. Okay. Now what I want is from 562, I want to eliminate from 562, I want to eliminate the first one over here. So you eliminate 106, 106, yes, 106. And you add 170, which is equal to minus 106 plus 170, 626. Then next one. 626, you eliminate 93 and you add 130, the last one, which is equal to, so minus 93 plus 130. This is equal to 663. then again the next one. So जो मैंने highlight किया है वहाँ पे you keep your finger and you keep a track. If you lose the track, सब कुछ wrong हो जाएगा. So be careful now. Another 5. Now 663 minus 90 plus 108. 681. Then 681 minus 114 plus 113. 680. And then finally the last one where we can go. Okay. $680 minus 159 plus 115. 636. So now we have all these numbers 5-year moving. You can see it is moving. First we started with 112, then 106, then 93, then 90, then 114, then 159, and then 170. So 170 is say 5, and then the sum is, then we don't have more values to do the total of. So we get all these values. Now, अच्छा यहाँ तक हो गया सबका? पता चला सबको? Once again I will repeat. See, the first thing is you can do the total for the first one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what you get is 515. Then for the next one, you remove 112 and you add 159. So you get 562. Now, if you are not comfortable like this, you get lost more because of subtraction. Then what you do is you write all the 5 numbers every time. You start with 112, 5 numbers, 106, 5 numbers, 93, 5 numbers. But then it will be a bit more time consuming process because every time you will have to do that total of all 5 numbers. Okay, that is fine. You do what you are comfortable. We should get the correct answer. Now, over here, 5 yearly moving average is the final answer we want. So 515 divide by 5, which is equal to 103. Then 562 divide by 5. You have to write like this properly. 112.4. Then 626 divide by 5, which is equal to 125.2. Then 663 divide by 5, 132.6. Then 681 divide by 5, 136.2. Then 680 divide by 5, 136. And 636 divide by 5 is equal to 127.2. Now, when you will start plotting them, okay, you will get the trend, okay, exactly how it is moving. Now see over here. In the textbook, you can see this graph. Now in this graph is the sum what we just did. So original series, you can see how it is moving. So this one is the original series. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 11, and we did various plot. And then for the time 5 years moving average, this is the trend. So you can see how the trend is. So it has moved and now it is downward falling. So this becomes the trend. So in spite of price fluctuation, only with the price fluctuation, we may not be able to find the trend, and that's why we go for this moving averages to eliminate short-term fluctuations. Got it? All of you understood this? That was all for that sum. Now, this we did was for 5 years. Now, let's take a sum for 4 years. So, what happens if it is a even number? Then, how do we handle that? So, that is interesting. Illustration number 10. Now, over here, it was not asked to make a graph. So, you did not make a graph. Okay. So illustration 10. Mark it important for exam. Now, let's read the question first. Now, find the trend. Now, find the trend using, please underline, 4 monthly moving average. 4 monthly moving averages for the following data showing monthly sale in lakh rupees of a shop. Now we have to find out 4 monthly moving average. So over here you can see it's 4 monthly, so it's a even number. So it's a different way how we have to solve it. So now what columns will be requiring over here is you will be requiring month. Then again T we will write after that. Then sales in lakh is basically your Y. Then for monthly moving total. Then pairwise total. Now what is this pairwise total? We'll see later. And 4 monthly moving average. This is the final answer. Now before you start doing, just wait, listen to me, hold on. When you write the months, March, leave one line blank. Then April, leave one line blank. Then May, then June, then July, August, September, then October, then November, and then December. Now, one line blank, please leave one line blank and do it. T, so we start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now sales is 5, 3, 7, 6, 4, 8, 9, 10, 8, and 9. Don't need to do the totals, so don't worry. Squeeze it a bit. Okay, now are you ready with the sum?
Yes, sir.
Now over here, 4 monthly moving total. So as you know, you have 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So what we will do is, between 1, 2 and 3, 4, here we will write the total in the center. That's why we have left one line blank. So over here, we will write 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6, which is equal to 5, 3, 8, and 7, 15, and 6, 21. So I'll write over here 21. How did I get 21? 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. We got 21. Now, next 4. So now numbers are very small, so you can directly do all 4 together instead of plus minus, or if you want to do plus minus, then you can follow that. Okay, let's follow minus only, that's better. So you follow one method only. Now next 4, so 3 plus 7 plus 6 and 4. Now over here, again 1, 2, 3, 4, so centermost is between 3 and 4. So here we will write 21 minus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 20. Then 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. So over here between 4 and 5. So 20 minus 3 plus 8, which is equal to 25. Then next 4. Now 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9, or 25 minus 7 plus 9, which is equal to 27. Another 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Again now between 6 and 7. So 27 minus 6 plus 10. which is equal to 26 plus 27 plus 4 is 31. So 31. Then 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8. Now again between 9 and 10. So 31 minus 8, 31 minus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 35. And then last 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 9. So over here 35 minus 8 plus 9, which is equal to 36. So now that we have got all these numbers over here, they are all 4 monthly moving total. हो गया सबका यहाँ तक? हो गया सबका यहाँ तक? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we have to do is pairwise total. So we will make pairs. So what will be the pair now? Now pair will be 21 plus 20, which is equal to 41. So this 21 plus 20. Okay, first and second. Then, let me give them one color. Then 20 and 25. So over here 20 plus 25, which is equal to 45. Directly we can do because only two numbers are there. Then 25 and 27. So 25 plus 27, which is equal to 52. Then 27 plus 31. So 27 plus 31. You have to write all these, although you can do directly on calculator, but you have to still write. So that is 58. Then 31 plus 35. So 31 plus 35, which is equal to 64. And then the last two remaining.
Sir, 66. 66 में आ गया.
So 66.
Yeah, sorry, 66. Okay. 31 plus 35, 66. And then last two, 35 plus 36. 35 plus 36, which is equal to 60, 71. So now we have this pairwise total. So this 41 consists of these 4 and the next 4. So total there are 8 observation in 41, 8 in 45, 8 in 52, 8 in 58, 8 in 66 and 8 in 71. So now what we will do is we will find this over here, 41 divided by 8. So we'll take 41 divided by 8, which is equal to 8 5s are 5.125. So 5.13. Then 45 divided by 8, which is equal to 5.63. 625 is 63. 52 divided by 8, which is equal to 6.5. Then 58 divided by 8, which is equal to 7.25. Then 66 divided by 8, which is equal to 8.25. And 71 divided by 8, which is equal to 8.87, so 8.875, so 8.88. I can see over here the trend is rising. So these are our final answer for 4 monthly moving average. So this becomes our final answer.
સર
Yeah.
સર આ પેર વાઇઝ ટોટલ છે કેમ કર્યું કઈ ખબર ના પડી મને.
એનું કારણ છે કે we want 4 monthly moving total.
હા
અગર આ અહીંયા બ્રેક ના હોત, it was 1 2 3 4, તો ક્યાં વચ્ચે તું રાખત એ લોકોને?
હા હા
એટલે you would have done over here. So first you take this 4, then next 4. So and then you get this, and then you get this over here.
ઓકે
Okay. Now,
તો
સર
yeah,
હા સર
સર
આ ડિવાઈડ
આપણે
બાય 8 કેમ કર્યું 4 મંથલી મૂવિંગ એવરેજમાં
4 monthly, but basically what is happening is when you go as per this, the centermost is between 2 and 3. Centermost is between 2 and 3. Then the next centermost is between 3 and 4. So that is why first we took this 4 monthly moving average, and then we took this, and then we found the average. That is how we have to do it.
ઓકે સર
Okay, so what we got is 5.13. Now you'll say, sir, why we did not do in the previous one? Because here you were directly able to do. If it is say 5 yearly, so 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the centermost. You were able to do it till the last one. But over here, because it is 4 4 4 4. So where is the centermost? So that's why first we went for this between 2 and 3, then between 3 and 4, and then we did the total. Is basically we are taking the average of these 4 observation and this 4 observation. That is why we are dividing it by 8 to even out. Now come to exercise 4.3, question number 1, and you have to do this sum right now on your own. It's a 3 yearly moving average, so it's a simple one. You don't have this multiple total and then averages. So please start doing it and send me the answer in the chat box.